us talk about the story of a female student from Fiji. This is the story of Sera, entitled God Never Let Me Go. My name is Sera, a student from Fiji, and I am currently in my second year of education at Fulton College. Growing up was not easy for me. I was raised in a broken family, and at a young age, I was forced to become independent. In high school, I turned to alcohol and smoking as a way to escape the pain. I became trapped in a destructive cycle. One time, I was mugged while drunk, but even then, I did not change. It wasn't until I was involved in a car accident, an incident that nearly cost me my life, that I realized I was still alive because God had saved me. In 2018, I enrolled at Fulton to study business, but I resisted the beliefs of the Seventh-day Adventist Church and eventually left. After the accident, I fell into deep depression and struggled with suicidal thoughts. Even so, I never stopped praying. In that darkness, I heard a small voice saying, "Everything will be okay." My aunt and uncle, who are Adventists, had long shown me God's love. At first, I strongly resisted, but through Bible studies, I slowly came to understand the truth. A question about the second coming of Jesus became a major turning point in my life. My return to Fulton was a true miracle. I had no money and no plan, but I brought everything to God in prayer. Unexpectedly, my sister and brother-in-law offered to cover my tuition. God opened doors. In the end, I was baptized, choosing to follow God because I had personally come to understand the truth. The spiritual journey is not easy, but true peace can only be found in God. Today, I am more committed to reading the Bible, praying, and sharing my story with other students. Fulton College is more than just a school. It is a place of truth, healing, and purpose. If I could share one message, it would be this: never give up on God. Even if you stumble, get back up and keep going. He never left me, and He will not leave you either. The 13th Sabbath offering helped build the new campus of Fulton Adventist University College. Thank you for your offering, which supports children's health projects in the Solomon Islands and Vanuatu.